Leo's morning mission. In a small, quiet town, a boy named Leo delivered newspapers every morning. He knew everyone on his route, especially a kind, elderly man named Mr. Gable. One sunny morning, Leo noticed something strange. Mr. Gable's newspaper from yesterday was still in his mailbox. All day at school, Leo couldn't stop thinking about Mr. Gable. He hoped everything was okay. After school, Leo rode his bike back to Mr. Gable's house. The old newspaper was still there, along with the new one he had delivered that morning. Leo knocked on the door. "Mr. Gable?" he called out. He heard a very quiet voice from inside. The door was locked. Leo knew he had to get help. He raced home as fast as he could. Leo told his mom what happened, and she called the police. Leo gave them Mr. Gable's address. The police arrived at Mr. Gable's house and heard the faint voice too. They carefully opened the door. They found Mr. Gable at the bottom of the stairs. He had fallen and couldn't get up. Mr. Gable was so happy to be found. He called Leo his hero. The whole town was proud of the smart and caring paper boy.